It is a world press conference where the former Vice President of Nigeria and the People Democratic Party presidential candidate in the 2023 general election, Atiku Abubakar, rejects the judgment of the Supreme Court that affirmed the election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Speaking on the verdict of the Supreme Court, Abubakar criticizes the electoral body and the judiciary for defending illegality.
I meant that the bigger laws would not be mine, but Nigerians, if the Supreme Court legitimizes illegality, including forgery, identity theft, and perjury, as it has done.
Abubakar, however, emphasizes the erosion of trust in the electoral system and the importance of preserving Nigerian democracy for future generations. He advocates for reform to enhance transparency, build confidence in the electoral process, and restore voters' right to elect leaders.
The appointment of electoral officials has also been hijacked by the ruling party, as seen in the latest nomination of resident electoral commissioners, where card-carrying members of the ruling party and aides to politicians in the APC are being appointed into INEC. When two critical institutions like the court and the electoral commission are trapped in an evil web of political marginalization, it becomes next to impossible for democracy to thrive.
The former vice president, while acknowledging the end of the phase of his political career, expressed his ongoing commitment to strive for political and economic restructuring in Nigeria, primarily led by the young generation.
In my party, this phase of work is done. However, I'm not going to go away. If you think I'm going to go away, forget about it.
It could be recalled that Atiku, being dissatisfied by the presidential election results, headed for the Supreme Court and subsequently sought to include additional forgery evidence, which he obtained from Chicago State University. But the court objected this on the ground that plea was made outside 180-day mandatory period stipulated by the law. Kike Lomo Okeri, Global Television News.